The new tune with a shout out to seafood joint operator Screechy. So here we are at Hellshow with a backdrop of beach and boats. Chris Martin easing into the not so new year with a track guaranteed to make radio playlists. Dependably edit free, tuneful, sing along stuff. An agreeable post COVID breath of relief that we're well past the worst.
I just give thanks to life, give thanks for the fact that I'm very healthy and everything else just falls into place. The people love my music and they want to see me perform. It takes time to get back into the swing of things. And a lot of people are still in the whole kind of lockdown phase. Like a lot of people who I'm around, like we used to dip on the road till like 3 o'clock in the morning. Like they're not really in that mood again. A lot of parties that would go on till way in the wee hours, and then you'd have the performers come and perform at like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Masses them kind of in that mood there again. You see me?
You're kind of tired of that, by the way. We have this habit in Jamaica with stage shows that go on like all night into the next morning, and sun comes up, you're still on stage, and some people are hanging on.
For people who've been there from like 8 o'clock, expending their energy and them dead for how long, and then you expect to come on at 6 o'clock. The vibe and the energy that you want to get from the masses, it just not gonna dead it because them tired. But at the end of the day though, we have the culture in which they want party till morning. The venue probably not gonna get the right way till like midnight. And abroad, majority of the events finish at midnight.
Trends changing fast since Martin's arrival in 2005, but he's not really been one to move with the crowd.
Essence of Christopher Martin's sound is love, good energy, and the fact that everybody in the household can listen to a Christopher Martin song. We've stayed true to that mantra. We've stayed true to that blueprint from Jump Street. And I like that word that you used, pulse of the music. The topics and what they are saying are not really me. But at the end of the day though, when I do what I do, the people love it. The people who love me, they love it. So what me I gotta know? It's like if I switch up for try to get new fans and lose out on the fans who've been with me all these years. It don't make sense to me. And if it don't make sense, it don't make dollars. If we look on it that way, that too. People are people. They'll do what they want to do. Within the time span that you are there in their presence, them will be the best behaving person ever. And they must say, yo, sing I want to deal with love, I could deal with love, because love is sing I deal it. And when they sing I move up, them want to deal with the badness.
And you think sometimes you've seen it all, and then you see that video with the two
Yeah.
kids attacking that kid in a schoolroom,
Crazy.
and it just freaks you out.
Yeah, man, it's crazy like that now. Like that video they now just, it rubbed me the wrong way. You understand? And it make you think evil things as well, as an individual and as a father. At no possible time should you see a video, not even said, just mere fact that they videoed it. I'm just saying there shouldn't be an instance where that happens in our schools. What is the root of that? The root, that can't really be the music, the root.
It kind of makes you think, what has to change in Jamaica?
Enough things have to change, boy, still, Whole heap of things have to change. From the head to the toe, you understand what I said? Boy, you not run right. 100%. Everybody love Jamaica. So it's just Jamaica don't love Jamaica.
music business, you love what it is you do, you're loving the gym to Chris, because let me tell you,
Yeah, man, we like the health part, man.
you
The
got
health
into
aspect.
it, and I don't even think you knew when you were getting into it how far it would take you.
No, but it here or no, I just feel like it's a lifestyle. It's healthy and you feel good about yourself. And the girl them love it and everything work out, you know what I mean? So you go up on stage and without even singing a note, you know, them see what go on and them love it already, so it make it performance even easier, you understand? So yeah, talk about, man, a good time is guaranteed, man. Just make sure you look good and half the battle is already